question 9. A is directly proportional to the square root of C. W is inversely proportional to A cubed. When C equals 49, A equals 35. When A equals 2, W equals 16. They've given this as a 6-mark question. So it's 6 marks. So it's quite a bit of working out required. But you could get a lot of marks for it. So let's just start by setting up the different equations. So I've got A is directly proportional to the square root of C. So it's A equals K root C. And W is inversely proportional to A cubed. So I'm going to put that over here. W equals inversely proportional to A cubed. K over A cubed. Right, where can I start? Well, I've got a C and an A here, so I can substitute those in here, and we'll see what we get. So I should be able to work out what K is, so just as we've done before. So 35, that's A, equals K times the square root of 49. So 35 equals K times by 7, or 7k. And if I divide then both sides by 7, I know that my k, so it's a bit confusing because I'm going to have two different k's here, one for this formula, one for this one, so I maybe should have made that clear. Maybe I'll make that k dash just to make it clear that I'm talking about different values of k here. They're not representing the same value. So 5 equals k. This is my constant proportionality for this where a is directly proportional to the square root of c. So I'm going to rewrite this out as a equals 5 root c. Okay. Now I'm going to work with this one. I'm going to use this pair of values when a is 2, w is 16. So 16 equals k1, just because it's a slight k dash, over, not k1, it's not an index, I'm just making a distinction, over 2 cubed. So 16 equals k dash over 8. So if I times both sides by 8, I get k dash here, and on this side 8 times 16, well 8 times 10 is 80, 8 times 6 is 48, so 128. Right, so k equals 128, so I can just rewrite this all out again here as well, my w equals, I now know what the k dash is, 128 over a cubed. Okay, so let's have a look at what I can do now. It's asking me to find the value of w when c equals 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the c equals 4 into here to work out the a value there, and then put that a there then into here. So that's my plan. So when c equals 4, this is like my first stage of work. Tell you what, I'm going to carry on my next stage of working just here. So when c equals 4, I'm going to substitute into this one. So a equals 5 root 4. So a equals 5 times 2. So when c equals 4, a must be equal to 10. Not done yet. I need to find the value of w. So I'm now going to resubstitute this new a into here. So w equals 128 divided by 10 cubed. So w equals 128 divided by 1000. So W, just because 10 cubed, 10 times 10 times 10 is 1000, equals 128 divided by 1000, which is 0.128. And there's my answer. Now, if it was an exam, it would ask you to give it, it might stipulate the accuracy, but that's my 6 marks. So just make a start setting things up, and it should come together.